This module explains the rules that apply for transportation of microwave goods and reception on site. This module covers the following topics. Notes on the transportation of all microwave goods including antennas, network elements, cables, drums, and packages. Some general guidelines for transporting microwave goods. Equipment inspection. Receiving equipment on site. Bill of materials document. Let's begin. When dealing with transportation of microwave goods, one needs to consider the application of the following sets of rules. The rules for packaging and stacking the various system components, antennas, network elements, cable, drums, or other accessories. The rules for safe transportation of the above-mentioned equipment. The rules for unpacking the received goods and storing them on site or in warehouses, short-term or long-term storage. Being authorized by Ceragon to receive equipment into a warehouse, site, or other designated location means these criteria will always apply. All equipment must be received in the correct quantities. All equipment must be received on-site in factory-shipped condition. If any of the previous conditions are not fulfilled, then you have an obligation to inform those responsible to clarify and replace any missing or damaged items. You might also need to prepare insurance claim forms to recover the cost of missing or damaged goods.